Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw RM of BTS. Sexy Nukim is a song by Balming Tiger featuring RM of BTS. The main message of the song is that you don't have to be drop dead gorgeous or have people fawning over you to be sexy. You can just be yourself and you should celebrate all the things that make you who you are. This picture, which I am trying to recreate, is from W Korea live performance of the song Sexy Nukim. In my opinion, this day should be marked as Sexy Nukim Day. Even after 2 years of release of this song, Namjoon verse still lives in my head rent free. One thing has been constant that RM never disappoints with his lyrics. He always makes the collaboration epic. During this live performance, the crowd went crazy when RM entered the stage, and the fact that this room was full of Korean celebs and other idols. I hope this song and this performance reaches to the people who need to hear this and realize that they are perfect just the way they are. And lastly, you are not freak but unique.